Shout out to Yago, my boy. Shout out to everybody. Oh man, this song. Let me go. Niyo umuntu anyatatse ndaceceka nanizi sana nagonje kuvuga unyataka agonje kugira ngo tugire a common ground tuganira nta kintu cyiza nko cultivating urukundo muri wowe. The only, it's only right kuba na twakiza muri game tukakiza hano kuri 2.5. So mwumve ko it's nibwo buryo bushoboka bwagaragaza my gratitude toward the love you give me. So and I wish now ubundi buryo bugaragaza my gratitude toward the love and support you give me. But yeah, so thank you so much. Stay tuned. Love. Huh? Mbuji? Huh? Eh? Utanzabwira bebe abasuza ari kuvugira hirya mu gikari. Bebe basi. Okay, just make a sound.
Hello.
Sound louder. How about you come closer? Huh? No, we don't want you to be on the camera. Trust me. Just come. No, now we'll try kuza muri camera. Ngwino hano. Ngaho tera yandirimba. Oh? Anyway, my wife alikuwa shout out mwese. Yago
yanjye mvuye aho mu cyaro naragiraga inkamene numva indirimbo zawe ku radio ma.
Yego.
Basi reka musaba kantu gatoya.
Umuntu
kuzereka. Jesus. Mfite umuntu ushaka kuzereka ko byibuza twanavuganye ko byibuza no kuri telefone.
Wow.
Ndashango indirimbo waririmbye uvuga ngo uzaza ryari.
Umva iyo ndirimbo ndaza kuguhamagara nyikuri imbere kuri telefone tu. Afite amagambo meza arutaye abanditsi.
Thank you,
afite ukuboko kwiza utukaba. Congratulations to you kandi Imana igumugisha. Make sure you use the funds the right way, and please watch out for the video. You have plenty. It's coming out next week. Video ya plenty na ibaraditse, my friends. Shout out to Bruce Melody, man. Shout out to Coach Gael. Shout out to the whole one. Muhamagawe na The Ben.
Yes.
Kandi turajya mu tubabwire congratulations ko mwabashije gutsindira igihembo cyangwa se quiz twatanze ejo bundi ku ndirimbo ya Plenty. Yego. Uri mu rugo ko numisha abantu benshi? Muri live, right? Muri gukurikira live, right?
We are live, brother. Tiger beat up already.
Yo, listen, man. Congrats to you. Tugomba guhamagara abandi bantu, but congrats to you kandi nyuma y'iyi call turaza gukurikizaho urabona ubutumwa busobanura how biri bukurikirane kugira ngo ugere ku kintu watsindiye.
Thank you so much, bro. We are very excited. Imani komezi kublessing, bro. The project is a very exciting song.
Thank you very much. I hope you're enjoying the song though. Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane.
Oh my God.
Murakoze cyane. Kono baraba tipe gusa. The verse next call gotta be a female. Kugira ngo dukore gender balance. Huh? Shout out to shout out to them keys. Shout out to the keys. Man, shout out to all my producer, man. Shout out to Lick. Shout out to Element. Shout out to Koze, boy. Shout out to Keys, man. Listen, guys, I respect you so much. I love you guys so much. Shout out to all the producers. Shout out to Loader, bro. The young boy, the young king, Loader. Shout out to all the artists. Shout out to all the musicians. Shout out to all the industry, man. One love. Shout out to the all industry. Ariko nanavuge ngo urukundo ruramataringa ibintu byose. Urukundo is very, very important. Urukundo is very, very, very important. Mukure cyangwa se mukure inzangano muri ibi bintu. Bino bintu is supposed to be fun. We're supposed to be happy. Bino bintu dukwiye kubyishimiramo. Ntabwo dukwiye kubirakariramo. Ntabwo dukwiye kubirwaniramo. This is Ndumva nanjye go preaching, man. Go play with me. All right. Let's call the third winner. Let's call the third winner. I really hope you guys are here kugira ngo dukurikirane no muntu. Hello.
Oui.
Muraho neza.
Muraho.
A lady. She's a lady.
Hello.
Muraho neza. Hey, so twagira ngo tubabwire ko muhamagawe na The Ben.
Inde?
Na The Ben.
Let's gato banze mbyuke. The Ben. My artist.
Najya mabwiye ko muhamagawe na The Ben. Kandi tubamenyesha ko mutsindiye quiz mwatanzemo igitekerezo cyanyu. Your plans. Mwamwaratanze igitekerezo cyangwa tubibeshyeho?
Oya, kwanara bikoze mana oya uri kumbeshya.
Dana tuyobe gato. Amazina witwa?
Nitwa
Ange kuri Instagram koresha on Instagram cyangwa se tubi.
I can't believe.
You sure?
Natsinze se koko.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay, Ange. Ange, congratulations, you're the winner. You are among the winner, by the way. What seems it?
Murakoze cyane n'ukuri bamugisha ntabwo mbyumva neza.
Yeah, so
ntabwo ndabyakira.
Nukuvuga ngo uraza kwakira ubutumwa nyuma y'iyi phone call bukubwira uburyo ki uri bubashe kubona.
Thank you so much, Mugisha n'ukuri umugisha n'izina rya Mugisha.
And I hope you guys are receiving the plenty neza indimba yabagezeho.
Yego.
Okay. Utuyagana he, by the way?
Nyamagabe.
Oh, egoko. Nyamagabe si. Mucyaro. Nyamagabe ni Nyamagabe si kukibuye.
I think so.
Nyamagabe
harya ni mu ntara. Hello? Nyamagabe harya ni mu ntara?
Ni Nyamagabe ni Gikongoro.
Momojeko. Oh, congratulations to you once again. Ubwo tuwafollowing up na n'uburyo tugeza igihembo cyawe.
Nuko Imana bamugisha urakoze cyane ariko ndishimye bikomeye.
All right, take care. Bye.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, finally we have the female Mori. Let me have the Muri kunyumva nabo muri kumbwira muri kunyumva. Can you guys hear me? Perfect. All right. So, nandi kuvuga ikintu very crucial. Murabizi ntago njya mbasha kugira umwanya wo kuvuga ibintu nk'ibi ngibi. I prefer kuba na ceceka niyo mbabaye ndaceceka. Niyo umuntu anyatatse ndaceceka. Na nizi sana ntabwo nje kuvuga unyataka ahubwo nje kugira ngo tugire a common ground tuganira. Nta kintu cyiza nko cultivating urukundo muri wowe. Hello? Muraho neza? Bo, muhamagawe na The Ben?
The Ben?
Yego.
Kabisa.
Muhamagawe na The Ben, sinzi no cyane mwaturebaga live ariko abantu batatureba live tukwiye kuzatuba.
Nabarebaga kabisa.
Abantu batatureba niba utari live wabona tukuvanye mu bantu batsinze?
Oya nandi kubareba kabisa nahitangiye live kweli.
So, muri make congratulations to you kuko wabashije kuba among the top 5 batsindiye.
Wow. Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Yeah. So, nyuma y'i phone call uraza kubona ubutumwa busobanura uburyo ki uribone igihembo cyawe.
Ariko wese gato basi ibyo akantu gato.
Yego.
Ndi umufana kuva kera kabisa. Wenda abantu badukurikiye banyanganiro gato ntago ninda.
Yego.
Ariko basubyumve sibyo?
Ndakumva cyane.
Je nakuriye mu Mutara Instagram share wanjye ntago tukiri kumwe. Ariko ndi mu bana bato nyine bakoze bagufana bagukunda cyane kuva ugiye USA.
Wow.
Wita kinyi byose ndabyibuka kugeza nyine nanjye mvuye aho mu cyaro naragiraga inka numva indirimbo zawe ku radio man.
Yego.
Basi reka musaba akantu gatoya.
Ushaka
kuzereka Jesus. Mfite umuntu ushaka kuzereka ko byibuza twanavuganye ko byibuza no kuri telefone.
Wow.
Ndashango indirimbo waririmbye ivuga ngo usaza ryari.
Umva iyo ndirimbo ndaza kuguhamagara nyikuririmbe kuri telefone tu. Afite amagambo meza arutaye abanditsi.
Thank you,
afite ukuboko kwiza utuka. Congratulations to you kandi Imana igumugisha. Make sure you use the funds the right way.
Thank you so much.
No.
Thank you.
So. All right. God is good, man. God is great. God is amazing, man. All right, guys. Let's go. Let's call the very last person. I could never tell you live from this one is not gonna. Hello.
Yes.
Muraho neza? Muraho? Uri kuvugana na The Ben?
Yes.
Uri mu bantu bitabiriye iriya quiz twatanze kuri Instagram, right? Yego?
Yego, iriya kuvuga the coming the new song.
Yego. So, uri mu bantu bahisemo izina rya nyaryo. Yego, uri kunyumva?
Ndakumva.
Kandi congratulations kubera ko wabashije gutsindira wabaye umwe mu batsinze basically. Yeah.
Wow, urakoze cyane Imana igumugisha.
Kabisa Imana igumugisha nawe kandi ibyiza biri imbere.
Umva niwe muntu waje n'ubundi tayiga ndakwemera n'ubundi.
Urakoze cyane my friend. Urakoze cyane. Ubwo ikintu turi bukurikizeho iyi nimero yawe right gite sibyo?
Yego.
Abantu babishinzwe baraza kukwandikira. Bikurikirana n'ukuntu ubone ibyo watsindiye.
Urakoze cyane Imana igumugisha n'ukuri.
Nuvuga ngo congratulations to you uri among the 5. Best of it uri muri baba ni batanu ba.
Thank you very much my brother.
Thank you my friend. Take care man.
Urakoze cyane.
One love man.
N'ukuri urakoze kandi keep up bro.
Thank you man. Thank you kabisa.
Ubwo niba byose bizaza kandi n'ukuri ndakwemera.
Imana igumugisha my friend. So far so good. Urakoze my friend. Take care man. We'll go stay in touch.
Sawa.
All right, bye. All right. All right, guys. Listen. It's only right kuba na twakiza muri game tukakiza hano kuri 2.5. So mwumve ko it's nibwo buryo bushoboka bwagaragaza my gratitude toward the love you give me. So And I wish now ubundi buryo bugaragaza my gratitude to all the love and support you give me. But yeah, so thank you so much. Stay tuned. Love. Huh? Mbuji? Huh? Yeah? Utanzabwira bebe abasuhuza ari kuvugira hirya mu gikari. Bebe basi, okay, just make a sound.
Hello.
Sound louder. How about you come closer? Huh? No, we don't want you to be on the camera. Trust me. Just come. No, ntabwo dushaka kuza muri kamera. Ngwino hano. Ngaho tera ya ndirimbo. Oh? Anyway, my wife alikuwa shout out to me stage. Obviously she loves you guys. Shout out to all my friends, man. Shout out to all my boys. Lami Boo. Shout out to Kareem Abdul. Shout out to Kelly Uganda. Shout out to Mehdi. Shout out to K8 Kafuyo, the baddest. Shout out to shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to Mboni. Shout out to Sonia Hilton. How about you come and say it, baby? Shout out to Sonia Hilton. Shout out to my mother. Shout out to my brother Dan Scott. Shout out to shout out to Yago. Before I go shout out to Hamagan. Shout out to Uncle Austin. Shout out to all the industry, man. Let me mention some names. Shout out to Tom Close. Parawanje. Shout out to Jimmy Muyumbo, my Parawanje.
Shout out to Tricia too.
Shout out to Tricia. Shout out to Knowles. Shout out to Jolly. Shout out to the whole gang. Gang. Shout out to Clemmer. Shout out to Ivan Edmonton. Shout out to Alfred Vida Njira. By the way, I love Alpha's song. I didn't Alpha Bebe. Hunda. It was Zura. You guys mujye mushaka nimba itwa Zura ya Alfred Vida Njira and come thank me. Iri mu ndirimbo zubaka cyane. So shout out to the whole industry, man. I wish I can mention everybody.
Shout out to everybody.
Imana ibahe umugisha. Shout out to Buchura, Ibra. Shout out to Abraham. Shout out to Praise. Shout out to the baddest Praise. Shout out to Yago, my boy. Shout out to everybody. Oh man, this song. Let me. Damn, so many people here, man. Shout out to Bruce Melody, man. Shout out to Coach Gael. Shout out to the whole 155. Shout out to Noop Jet. Shout out to Mike. Listen, I want to say something about this guy. Uyumugabo. Mwita, literally, he's like my father when it comes to the industry of industry entertainment. The way he discovered me, like he literally discovered me. Chizere, kuboko. Aifashijwemo na Tom Close. Listen, guys, mad respect to Muyoboke, mad respect to Papa Muyoboke. Mad respect to Papa. I love you, man.
Shout out to Katono.
Hey, shout out to Kevin Kadev. Baddest. Shout out to Kev, man. Kev, you're doing great. I'm super proud of you, man. Shout out to Element. Shout out to all my boys, man. Listen, I have so many friends, by the way. So when you want to shooting ish, man. So it's not that you forget. Don't come at me, huh? Shout out to Patrick. Anyway, shout out to everybody, man. One love, Dabakunda, Emmanuel Mugisha, forever. I know we will do this once more. We'll do this again. Kabisa.